Wind is blowing like crazy, but it is time for another beach adventure. And this is the first one from Torremolinos. Torremolinos, it's a small city in the Andalusian region, right next to Malaga, but it's definitely a different city than Malaga. Smaller one and famous for lots of sports complex, and many people that are coming on training camps right here, mostly for athletics, but also for other sports, because it has super nice track for track and field, that is. And yeah, I have never been here actually before. I have been on training camps to Mallorca and other countries also, but not here. Anyway, I'm here now for beach adventures anyway, so that's fine. But yes, it is 8th of December. It is 18 degrees Celsius in the air and 15 in the sea. So we're gonna do another beach adventure now. After I did 3 earlier, this is the 4th one. And you see, there is practically nobody on the beach. It's completely empty. And it's a huge one, Playa de los Álamos. And the sun is up on the sky, so we're gonna be taking a beach adventure here. And you can see also the houses in the background. And beautiful palms also right on the beach. This is magnificent. So nice. And the water is amazing as well. Alright. Yeah, beach adventures in Spain in December. It's quite magnificent and nice. And this is the episode number 4, and I told you that I'm telling you facts about Malaga, but there's now Torremolinos I already told you a fact about Torremolinos, that it's a popular sports camp place, but also a nice place for vacation. In summer, of course. But why not even now? I'm the only one that's in the water right now, as far as I can see. But it is what it is. I can't believe that I did beach adventure in Sweden 7 days ago in the frozen lake with all the snow, and now I'm here enjoying the sun, the beautiful sand, like it's summer in December. And we can also see it here, the planes that are landing onto the Malaga airport as well. All right, are we ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. So nice. So nice and amazing. Very beautiful we have here on the beach. And I'm glad I walked southwards towards Torremolinos instead of north to Malaga. But I'm going to be going back and see beaches in Malaga also today, but also on Sunday. Because tomorrow, Saturday, I'm going to Gibraltar to explore there as well. Alright, that was this beach adventure from Playa de los Álamos, Torremolinos, Spain. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!